Before fiber reaches your community, it goes through several key steps, from planning and design to construction, testing, and installation. Here's a quick look at how it all comes together. Teams evaluate the area to determine the best and safest routes for fiber installation. Using detailed design, they plan where lines will go while minimizing impact to the community. During this phase, required permits are secured to ensure all work meets local regulations before construction begins. This preparation helps construction move efficiently with as little disruption as possible. Before construction begins, crews identify existing underground utilities like water, gas, and power lines, many of which are located within the Public Utility Easement, or PUE. This is a designated area, typically along the front, side, or rear of a property, where utility providers have the legal right to install and maintain infrastructure. Using specialized equipment, crews locate and mark these lines with flags and paint. This step ensures safe construction and helps prevent service disruptions in your community. The next step is active construction, when crews are fully at work in your area. Before construction begins, you will receive a door hanger and a direct mailer letting you know work is coming to your area. Depending on the scope, you may see crews of up to 10 people or smaller teams of 3 to 4 moving the project forward. Construction moves directly into your neighborhood, using equipment like directional drills and missile boring machines to install underground conduits for the fiber network. Work may be underground or aerial, with trenching, boring, or crews working along utility poles using bucket trucks. As work progresses, you may notice temporary changes like lane closures or equipment nearby. Once work is complete, communities are restored back to its proper setting. This step builds the foundation for high-speed, reliable internet in your community. With infrastructure in place, fiber optic cables are carefully pulled through the conduits. From there, expert technicians splice the fibers together, ensuring every connection is precise. This step is critical to delivering fast, reliable internet to your home. Before service goes live, the entire network is tested end-to-end. Teams verify performance, make final adjustments, and ensure everything runs at peak reliability. Once testing is complete, your neighborhood is ready for service. Residents can begin scheduling installations and enjoying faster speeds and stronger connections across every device. You may even see members of our door-to-door team visiting your neighborhood to share details and help you get connected. Better internet is closer than you think. Check availability in your area and get ready to connect without compromise.